Hello, Julia here, a product manager at Cordless. In this video, I will take you through an exciting AI-powered feature in Cordless called Ask AI. Essentially, this is a fully customizable ChatGPT-powered feature that analyzes your call transcripts on qualitative topics such as first call resolution, churn risk, complaints, agent behavior, and more, and highlights calls that need your attention. As I said, the categories are very much customizable, and we configure these questions for each customer ad hoc. I will use some popular categories to show you how this works. So these categories are, this is our insights page, by the way, that displays aggregate data for Ask AI. The questions configured here are whether or not the advisor noted that the call is being recorded, customer verification practices, churn risk, and first call resolution. Let's have a closer look at any particular conversation. Inside any calls details page, you can find the Ask AI tab here with question categories saved on your account and answers that the AI has given. We can see all the same questions we just had a look at in our insights section. If you're QAing this call and disagree with the AI answer, you can simply override it like this, and it will update in the insights. And also it will help the AI engine get it right next time. I will actually change it back because the advisor did let the customer know that the call is being recorded. I can see it right here from the transcript. You can also notice an option here to write a GPT query to this call yourself, which currently supports only yes/no questions. Now, this is slightly different from the saved questions below, which are configured by Cordless team, and they analyze all of your calls. Using this particular Ask tab will generate a one-off answer only to this call, and it will disappear after you leave or reload the page. Let's have a look. Let me just move myself a bit higher, and let's see. I can see that in the saved question, this call wasn't resolved. Probably, I assume it requires some follow-up. To check this, I can ask, does this call need a follow-up? Let's have a look. Aha. It says, yes, it does need a follow-up, and explains why it concluded so. We can also see that in this call summary, actually, that has been here all along, it does also say that the agent will escalate and follow up. So kind of proves that this answer is correct as well. And if we reload the tab, obviously it will disappear as it's a quick one-off question. You're free to use it whenever you're honing in on any particular conversation and want a quick answer instead of going through the script, for example. Transcript, I mean. Now, the most exciting part, though, is obviously insights. Here you can see the same four questions. Let me just find a better view. Here you go. Here we can see the same four questions. Let's have a look at churn risk. As you zoom into this, you can see the description of the prompt for this question category as well. So, did the customer indicate any likelihood of churn, e.g. likelihood to discontinue the company's services? You can also see a breakdown table by agent as well. From here, you can click through each of these bits to see properly filtered relevant conversations. To explain using this particular example, most interesting bit is here is that one of the calls within our date range does indicate a churn risk. And we can see here that this call has been handled by Luba. And if we want to have a look at this particular call handled by Luba, we can click here and we can find this call. And we can dig in and find out why this could have happened, maybe make a training point out of it, or just take a note, or product feedback, or anything else. Now, bear in mind that unknown answer category means either the Ask AI question is not applicable to the conversation, either the conversation has been too short, or it's a voicemail, or the AI couldn't answer definitively for any other reason. Essentially, it's an unknown or an NA category that lets you sift through irrelevant calls and focus on those that are of high interest to you. In this case, to be honest, I think it would be those that indicate churn. So it would be the yes column here. This you can do exactly the same with any other questions configured in your account, or you can ask us to add any other question to your account, and we will work together to figure out your requirements for this question. So for example, customer verification here, it's configured to verify against, to check against whether or not the agent verify customer's identity by asking for at least two of the ID items, so name, email, and billing postcode. If it's a yes, it means an advisor did ask for at least two of the identification items. If it says no, it means they fell short by one identification item, or they simply did not verify. And it's also a way to check your team for adherence to internal procedures and other things like this. And again, you can click through and see all of the yes calls, all of the no, or yes for any particular agent, no for any particular agent, and yeah, anything else. What I think is the most exciting thing is that it's a very powerful augmentation to customer support managerial flows. It's not obviously a replacement for any human insights. And its key value lies in its ability to process 100% of conversations on your account and to automatically highlight those conversations that really matter and that really need your attention. So I hope you explore it. If you have any more questions, let us know, book a demo, email us, message us on Slack, and yeah, keep your eyes peeled for more updates. Thank you.